shit. Oh, take, pray them niggas go away. Oh, we sell the clowns around, it look like circus show. Like, this is not the album either, these are just a dope.
So today, as you can tell by the title, we're going to be reviewing Take Me Back to Brazil palette. But here's the palette. Finally, this took about 2 weeks to come, so we're going to try it out. I also got the Beach Cosmetics liquid eyeliner along with the Foil Eyes eyeshadow palette. It kind of looks like a drugstore palette. This is going to be a long review because we're going to actually follow a tutorial and we're going to do a rainbow look by Danielle Claire. She did this beautiful eye look. You could literally just push this through like that. Oh my god, I love holding the palette. Dun 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 dun. Ooh, pretty. Some mattes. You got glitter roll down here. Is that like what I hate about YouTubers like beauty gurus when they review this? They put it upside down to show the colors. Like, I don't like that. And I know there's a lot of fallout. Like, all palettes have fallouts. Like, what palette does not have fallout? I will like speed through it kind of just to like, you know, make life easier. I don't have professional brushes, so we're gonna have to work with what I got. First shadow she's using is this bright neon like color right here. Guys, I'm so stupid. It's supposed to be half of the rainbow on each side, so I have to redo this side. I'm doing this totally wrong. I'm supposed to put these eyeshadow colors on this side. Oh my god, whatever. Hey guys, so I'm back and it took longer than I thought to do this makeup. In the tutorial, you're supposed to use these two colors right here on this eye, and I did, but it doesn't have a lot of pigmentation. I'm looking at it right now, it's not really, you can't really see it. You see mostly red, which is at the outer corner. As you can see on this eye, you can clearly see the green and the teal and the blue and then the purple at the end, which on this side you could see mostly the red and a little bit of yellow in the outer corner. Okay, so besides all that, I love this Brazil palette. I do love it. I love it. I love it. The colors are pigmented, like at least most of the colors are pigmented. And I have tested BH Cosmetics eyeliner. It's not skinny. Obviously it's not skinny, but what I do recommend to do is put, like, you use the eye, like those pencils, and go over the eyeliner so it doesn't like smudge around, and that's what I don't like about it. But besides that, it's bold, it's bright, and I like it. I also went ahead and used a shadow from the Foil palette. I went ahead and used this silver one right here. It stands out more on my right eye. So on my eyelid, I put over the concealer that Foil eyeshadow. Okay guys, so that is my review on the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. So the eyeliner and the foil palette. If you want me to do swatches of all these rolls and a different look, comment it below. If you want me to redo, like if you want me to follow another YouTuber's look with this palette that they use this palette with, please comment the YouTuber's name below, or if you have a link to the video, that would be better. Just comment below and I will follow their tutorial. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We were 10 subscribers away from 1,000, but let's make our goal simple: 995 subscribers. This video, big thumbs up in the face if you enjoy this, and if you enjoy makeup, this is a really good palette to use, so I recommend this. Okay guys, so I want to end it here. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you guys later. This Ganny's Gal is out. Bye!